Do you want to know how you can refer Unibet to a friend? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can invite your friends to Unibet or how you can refer Unibet to your friends. So guys, the first step is to open Unibet on your browser and then log into your account. The next step is to click on your profile and click on account, which is here on the right hand side. And on the left hand side you can see something like bonuses. Go ahead and click on bonuses and this will roll down. Now you can see refer a friend. Go ahead and click on it again. And you can see that you can earn a reward if you invite your friends, and you will get a special bonus for every friend that joins and plays with us. So you can go ahead and accept this, and you can see this is your link. Go ahead and copy the link and send it to your friend. And whoever joins to your link, you will get special bonuses, and you will get special bonuses for each and every friend that joins using your link. You can also invite your friends using Facebook or Twitter, which is over here. And if you want to look at the bonus rules, you can read this and you can see your rewards list over here. First friend €30, second friend 40, and the same goes for third friend. So you can see that these are the rules. You can read it and you can refer a friend to Unibet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.